A 14-year-old disappeared. Her body was found miles away, and no one has been arrested after a year. In January 2025, 14-year-old Emily Pike, a member of the San Carlos Apache Tribe, disappeared from a group home in Mesa, Arizona. Her dismembered remains were found on February 14, 2025, off U.S. Highway 60 near Globe, about 100 miles from where she was last seen. The medical examiner ruled her death a homicide caused by blunt force trauma, and crucial body parts such as her arms and hands are still missing. Despite FBI involvement and ongoing searches, no suspect has been arrested as of early 2026, nearly 1 year later. A $200,000 reward has been offered for information leading to an arrest. Her death sparked Emily's Law in Arizona, establishing a Turquoise Alert system to help find missing tribal and vulnerable individuals. Community members continue to hold vigils and memorials for her, and advocates say her case highlights a broader crisis of missing and murdered Indigenous women and girls.